Hello guys, this is Asif, and in this tutorial we are going to see how we can perform simple backup of the database using Recovery Manager and how we can restore and recover the database. So let's get started. I'll set Oracle SID is equal to DB, connect with RMAN in no catalog mode. That means like this: list, backup, summary, nothing is there. Report, need, backup, of course, show all. So if I say backup database, that's all. I want to keep this very simple just to make sure that everybody follows, and it's only for very beginners. So I'm just going to perform the full backup of the database. Backup database. So you can see that the backup of the database has been performed, and this is the location where the backup has been saved. These are the names of backup pieces generated. This is the location where the backup of control file and SP file has been saved, and this is the piece where the control file backup is available. So I'm going to shut down the database, shut down about. Then I'm going to physically remove the database. Shut down about or immediate. About is because we are anyway we are going to remove the database. So I just issued the command shut down about. It's going to shut down the database immediately. Once the database is shut down, we are going to go into the Windows browser, or even from these are the data files. I'm going to physically remove them. Gone. Only the folder is available there. So I'm going to go back, exit, CLS, pick RMAN, target, alter database, or you can say startup, no mount, because the SP file is still available there. Database is going to come up into no mount mode. I'm going to recover. I'm going to restore control file from so I need to copy it from there. Yep, this is the backup. See, and tells raw data pkp, then restore control file from this backup set. control files has been restored, we will verify it physically by going into Windows browser and should be available in TP folder. So here you can see both the control files have been restored. Now we are going to mount the database because the control files are available, so we are in a position where we can mount the database. Alter database mount. Once the database has been mounted, all the information about the backup sets, backup pieces which were generated earlier is available. So we are going to restore database. We don't need to specify restore database from this location or date location because the information about the backup pieces is available inside the control file which we have just restored. So we are going to restore the database. Issue simple command restore the database, as we issued a simple command backup the database. So all the files should be coming here. Files have started to come here, you can see. So let's verify it physically. Files are there, but you can see that redo log files and redo log files are not there. They are going to be available once we bring the database open. Once we open the database with reset log option. So now we are going to, earlier we restored the database with this command. Now we are going to recover the database. So I say recover database, that's it, should be okay. So now I'm going to open the database. Alter database open reset logs, should be okay. So our database has been restored, recovered and opened. Now let's verify it physically. So as I was saying that redo log files will be made available when we open the database. So all the 3 redo log files have been restored, have been recreated. So we restored control files, we restored data files, we recovered data files, and when we opened the database with reset logs, the redo log files were also made available. So this is how we can we can perform simple backup using recovery manager. This is how we can perform simple restoration of the database in case of whole database and control files failure. This is how we can recover the database, and this is how we can open the database with reset log option. Hope this video has been helpful, and we will continue from the next video, in which we will talk about how we can improve the performance of database backup procedure. Thank you very much.